Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a how to clean your makeup brushes. Everyone cleans their brushes like so many different ways and there's so many ways to do it, but I just thought I would show you how I clean mine. It's pretty easy. You don't really need a lot of things. You probably already have everything that is like everything that you need at home, so you don't need to really go out and buy anything. There is a lot of things you can use, but I just kind of stick to what I've been using from the start. First off, I just have some wipes, just normal wipes. I just use these to clean like the handle, is that what it's called? The handle of the brush. So that's what these are for. I then have my Johnson's baby shampoo. This light is so bright. The reason I use this is because it's like not harsh on your brushes, like on the bristles of your brush. Yeah, like I said, everything that is in this video I've used like from the start. I haven't really like wandered out and tried different things. I'm a little bit too scared. Never done anything wrong, like never done anything bad to my brushes, so I will stick with this. I mean, I'm sure you could just use like a normal shampoo if you don't have this at home, but I would recommend getting this. Next off, I just have a glass just to dip my brushes in. That's literally everyone has one of these bad boys in their house, so it's nothing exciting. Last two things, I have this little guy right here. I don't even know where it's from. AOA Studio. I think I got this off Miss A, I think, but I'm pretty sure you can get them from like Gloss and anywhere really. But yeah, I got mine offline. And then next off, I have just a bar of soap. I do usually use the Dettol soap because like it's like kills all germs and stuff, but I have none left and it's like nighttime and I'm definitely not going to the shops to buy soap right now when I will just use this for tonight. But yeah, I do like Dettol soap because like I said, it kills bacteria. It's, yeah, I prefer it over this, but this is just a normal soap. It's got nothing special in it. I found it in my mum's drawer. Thanks, Mum. Yeah, so that is it, and then you will see in a second I have my towel like laid out on my bench and I've curled like the two sides up because I don't like to, like, when you're cleaning your brushes, like my brushes have not been cleaned in a little while. My brushes are a little bit dirty because I have been in the middle of moving and stuff, so I haven't had time to clean them, so they are well overdue for a clean. As I was saying, my towel is like curled up on the side. It's like a little ramp or something. I guess that's the easiest I can explain. Because I like to sit like my brushes on a lean. I don't like to lay them down or anything because if you do get water in here, like in the top, it does like mess with the glue a bit and it will come loose. So just make sure you keep water away from here. Just mainly focusing on the brush bit. Let's just jump right into it. Just filling my cup with some water, putting that there. I first go in with my soap, and I just like rub my brush on the cake of soap just to get most of it out. And then I just stand it up on a little bit of a lean. I also like to run it on my hand a little bit if it's been a little bit difficult to get out. how I like to clean my beauty blenders is hold it under water until it's fully expanded. And then I grab my soap and I just run my beauty blender all over the soap. And I just run that in my fingers. And then I also like to go in with my Johnson's baby shampoo and just put that all over and run it in my hands again. Then I just like to squeeze it out, and if there's no more like foundation coming out of it when I squeeze it, then that's when I know it's pretty much clean. And then I just sit it up next to my brushes and then just go on with the rest of them. Then once I've done all that, I then just take my wipe and just wipe my brush. Okay, so that is that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. So hopefully that video was helpful to you. If it was, then there you go. It's not that hard, it just takes a little bit of time. But yeah, it's really important to make sure you keep your brushes clean, because if you don't, one, they won't work as properly. Two, it's just like, I'm lucky, I have like good skin, I don't really have a problem with breakouts, but if you have a lot of bacteria on your brushes and you get breakouts, and you have like a lot of bacteria and germs and all that not good stuff on your brushes, then it can make you break out like easier. So you just want to make sure they're all clean and stuff. Even if you don't have time to wash your brushes, just get like a brush spray cleaner and then just like swirl it in there, because like it's really important. If you like, I have some Zoeva brushes and they are really expensive, so like you don't want to go be forking out all that money and then like not looking after them and then they're just breaking. Like, it is a lot of money, but like yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.